Isa sa mga followers natin dahil nakilala yung ating video na nagtrending yung ating public toilet sa Caltex Station sa Irawan. So we are here now in Antipoloan, Nara. So that's the back is the Caltex. So dahil na-featured natin yung Irawan, so let's try naman dito sa Caltex ng Antipoloan. So nakikita nyo po, meron ditong I think that's also a cafe. So itong kanilang restroom. So let's see or let's check sa restroom ng Caltex Antipoloan. So first, meron silang aesthetic na dating, di ba? Parang garden na garden. So when you are at the front, ayan. So ito yung front ng restroom ng Caltex Antipoloan. So fresh na fresh ang datingan. So at the right side, this is the male station. While on the left side, this is the female station. So let's check first sa female section. Excuse lang po. Let's check. Wala naman tao. So there's no one inside. So this is the restroom of Caltex Antipoloan. Check natin kung gumagana. Uy, gumagana, malakas. Wow, see? Beautiful. Ang ganda ng mga restroom ng Shout out Sir Patrick. Patrick Tan, ang ganda ng mga restroom ninyo So, see, this is the anlinis kung gusto niyo mag-tawag yan, parang ashtray ba yan? So, this is the female section. Dahil walang tao. Hello. And this is, let's go to the male section. Alam nyo guys, pag pumasok kayo dito, mabango Mabango yung nila, yung room, yung restroom nila. So this is the male section. And see, meron ditong meron silang available tissue. Yan, may soap. Ito, meron din tayong hand dryer. So nice. Yes, this is me. And let's check sa kanilang. Okay, magandang tubig. At let's check kung may mga multo o walang multo. Yan. Nice. Very nice. So, nice din dito sa restroom ng Caltex. As much as possible, yung plan ko, kung saan man mapupuntahan ng mga Caltex, we will gonna check the restroom. Para makita nyo na yung mga restroom ng Caltex dito sa Palawan is one of a kind. And that is also their part. I think that's also a coffee station. So this is Caltex Antipoloan. So over that highway, yan, shout out dito sa kanilang supervisors, Mr. Alfie Martinez. Sir, thank you so much for accommodating us. Nagpagas ako dito sa Caltex Antipoloan. So that's it. Medyo kainitan ngayon at medyo sunog na tayo. Pero good thing, maganda yung restroom dito. At let's check to the other restroom naman. So every Caltex na napupuntahan natin, we're gonna go for a checking sa kanilang public toilet. At so far dito sa public toilet ng Caltex Antipoloan, ay pagpasok nyo po ay bubungad sa inyo yung parang kanilang garden type. And then once you enter the restroom is mabango po. Maganda yung kanila at malinis. So meron silang ashtrays if you want to stay within. But they don't have that aircon na katulad sa Irawan. But as much as possible, yon, make sure na everyone will using the restroom kahit saan man. So paalala po natin, dahil nililinis po yan ng mga bawat naglilinis dito. So we make sure that we have to respect it as well. So kapag ginamit natin na malinis, and make sure na iwanan natin malinis din. So we don't have to live with trashes. So make sure na malinis din. Para naman sa gayon is give and take lang yan. So they are giving a good service and you should have value with it as well. So that's it. Here in Antipoloan, Caltex. I am your Kuya Ron in the island. See you to the other raid. Thank you so much everyone.